Good evening, Algebra 1. Mr. Field here, going to walk you through how to turn in assignments via Google Classroom. I know we successfully did it the other day, but for whatever reason tonight it's not working. There's many different options on how to do this. So everything is in this stream. That's what we did the other day. Here's some announcements. Here's a bunch of other things. And we're looking for these announcements that have these green tabs on them. Make sure you're looking for the ones that you're turning in. So right now what we're looking for is topic 9, lesson 4. Tomorrow to do turn in lesson 4 homework. And then this one is due the consolidation activity. I believe I had it due Monday. But so you can scroll through, look through that, click on that. Over here on the left-hand side, there's some upcoming, because I put in due dates and times on assignments. So you can click view all to see those as well. And it'll pop up and you can look at them and click on them that way. Or another option is hitting this classwork option, and you'll see I created different categories: extra credit, classwork, and homework. So right now we're looking for the classwork, and there's a detail that's saying what pages they are. You go ahead and click on that to drop that down. Click view assignment. Then over here you'll see add or create, and then the turn it in option. Go ahead and hit add or create. Click file. Since we're all taking images, we need to go ahead and select from your device what that image is going to be. And I'm going to go ahead and throw in this image just so that there's something there. I click upload, wait for it to upload. It's still loading. And then I click turn in to make sure the number of attachments is correct. If you have too many, click cancel. I don't want to turn in that fourth one. So I go ahead and click X on that and it disappears. Click turn in. Again, turn in, wait for that to load and upload, and then it'll show unsubmit. Don't click on unsubmit, but that shows you that it is turned in. Right here is also mentioned it is turned in. So, ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor. If you have questions about turning in Google assignments via Google Classroom, reach out to me rather than flood my emails with assignments. Like I said, it's a very hard, very good chance that I could misplace your assignments in emails, but if they are housed in Google Classroom, I'm able to see them. And the next video, maybe I'll show you a way that my view versus your view. All right, so go ahead and submit your work the way that we need it, so that you can get credit for all the hard work you're putting into it. Thank you, and have a great night. Look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.